Hey guys, so I decided to do some more trees. I got the wood, okay? This is 8-inch wide, and these are 2 feet tall, okay? They're cedar boards, cedar fence boards, 1/2 inch thick. I decided to do more trees because I can't keep up, and these will sell. There's 12 of them here. So this video is going to be a review on my new Arbortech. Rich at Choose Your Own Path uses them. Who else? Rob at Just Carve Rob, he uses the Arbortech, okay? And I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. This is the Arbortech Mini grinder. Okay, here it is. Brand new. It's got that disc on there, it comes with it. Okay, I got a disc from King Arthur. I'm going to take this plating disc off and put the disc on from King Arthur, okay? It's got a speed control on it, which is very good for beginning carvers. I think this is a bit safer than using the normal grinder with the bigger disc, because that disc is farther away from your hand, you know what I mean? The grip is vibration proof. Well, it might be a little bit. So yeah, let me get that other King Arthur disc on here. It's just like the Kutzalls, guys, but 2-inch round one. And I don't know how to give this thing a review, but yeah, you see the safety guard on here. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to be using this like this way, okay? So it might work good for me, because me, I don't know, like grinders, I always take the guards off. You shouldn't, guys, believe me. But so I'm thinking this is going to be real beneficial to my Christmas trees, because I'll be able to get under here and cut under there, like undercut it in one pass. Okay, so I'll draw my lines on here and let's see how it works. Guys, I can't, it's hard to give a review when I've never tried this tool before. So I can give it a quick review to say what my quick thoughts are, and that's what it will be. Okay, so I carved my first tree with it. It's very smooth, guys. It doesn't seem like it has a normal power as a normal grinder has, which is good because you only got a 2-inch disc on here. So I don't think this is, I got to do another tree. I'm going to film me carving. The only thing with this, guys, you can only get like that deep under there with this disc. I can get a little bit deeper, but you only got that, you see that disc there? You only got that room to cut. That's how deep you can make your cuts, which is actually not a bad thing too, okay? No, I'm not sponsored by Arbortech, and I'm not, they don't even know that I'm doing this video. They don't even know that I'm Jordy at Carving Fusion. I just ordered it off Amazon. I think it was 300 and something bucks. I wanted to treat myself to a new present from carving all these trees. Okay, so let's it's a very there, let's see here. Let's see, it's not like a normal grinder. Okay, let me set up another tree here and I'll show you guys. Like, it's not that aggressive. I thought it was going to be way more aggressive, way faster cutting, but there's nothing wrong with it so far. I got the tree set up here. I got the lines drawn on, okay? I'm not going to be wearing gloves on this because I know for 100% this has the safety guard on there and I can control this tool. So I'm not going to wear gloves. You guys, let me say, if you don't have experience with this tool, wear your safety gear, guys. Wear your gloves, wear your eye protection, wear your face shield. Like you got, Liz, wear that face shield and ear protection, guys. But I'm just doing this as a quick review, okay? So I'm not wearing gloves because I don't think I need to wear gloves. If I hurt myself, that's my problem, not yours. You know what, guys? I carved another tree, okay? I didn't carve the branches in. I'll do that with my little Kutzall bit when I get home. Okay, just real quick, right? I was frustrated with this when I first tried to put the little branches in, the pine needles in, and it wasn't getting under there, so that frustrated me. So I said I got to give it another chance, okay? So then I started carving another tree. I said, well, this is going too slow for me. I pulled out my big grinder, okay? With my Kutzall disc, guys. You can go to the description below, full Kutzall, and get these discs. Use code CFusion. But you know what? So I use that. But then I said, then I'm going to go back to this and give it a fair try again. And I did this. This is an enjoyable tool to use. You can enjoy yourself. You don't have to be a pro to use this. It's not going to rip your leg off. You know what I mean? It's going to cut. This thing will cut through bone, guys. But it's not going to, if it hits you, you got that safety guard on there. Look, if it bounces back, it's going to bounce back, and that safety guard's going to protect you. This is dangerous for beginning carvers. Very dangerous. This, I would suggest it. It's not that bad. Nowhere near the amount of power as this. And also, guys, it has a speed control. If you think it's going too fast and too hard for you, just turn it down. You know what I mean? Look, I'm one-handing this. That's my review on it. I think it's good for the beginning carver. I think it works. Wear your gloves, your safety gear. I also got the Merlin 2 coming, guys, too, so I want to review that too. This is for the beginning carvers, these reviews, okay? So I hope everybody's good. Bye. Hey guys, I just want to take a minute when I'm home and more relaxed to talk about that Arbortech Mini grinder. You know, because when I'm carving, I'm all like, blah, 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 blah. I'm all over the map. So I'm at home now. I just got home. I'm more relaxed. I put some thought into it. So my opinion on that Arbortech one thing is, I think it's good. I like it. You know, you're definitely not going to carve the side of a mountain with it. That's for sure. You ain't going to do any big carvings with it, because if you do, you're going to break it. You know, I think it's more for detailing, shaping, maybe getting the bark off some wood, kind of just like thin bark, nothing too big. I think more like not strong people will be able to use it, because you can turn it down. I think it would be good for ladies to use. I think it would be good for seniors to use. You know, like, it's just got the little 2-inch disc on it. It's not like those 4-inch discs when you got that on a full speed grinder. If that thing kicks back on those big 4-inch discs, you better know how to hold on to that thing, because it's gonna go for a ride, and you don't want it to hit you. I think this is a lot safer than the big 4-inch discs on a grinder. It has nowhere the amount of power, but then again, it's such a smaller disc too, right? So I'm suggesting it. You know, it's not a cheap tool, guys. I don't know if I've already said the price, but look it up, Arbortech Mini Grinder. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it on eBay, or just go right to Arbortech and get it. I'm not a sales rep for Arbortech, guys. They don't even know anything about me. And this is my first Arbortech tool, but I think it's good. I think it's real good. Don't plan on doing any major carvings with it, but it's good for blocking out like little carvings. It's you know, it's good. I think that's all I need to say. Okay, so I hope everybody's good, and take it easy.